Welcome, my name is Nicole, and in this video I will show you how to prepare a dataset to be imported to R and how to actually import the dataset into R. This is our example data file. It looks pretty much the same as any kind of Excel or SPSS file that you would use for a regular regression model. The first row lists the variable names, and then in the subsequent rows you have the different cases. In our example, the first column lists the different countries, and the subsequent column then lists the different institutional indicators. We have the foreign direct investment inward performance as our dependent construct. We have non-corruption, tax burden, labor regulation, political stability, and political rights as potential independent indicators. R can load different types of files. I have made pretty good experiences using simple Excel files, so this would be my recommendation. Some manuals state that you should avoid using replacement values for missing values, such as 999 or no answer or something like that. So the recommendation is to just leave the missing values as a blank field. For further information on the data file, please watch the first video on the basics. In this first video, there's also more specific information how you can access the data file. It is available in short on the official Necessary Condition Analysis website, and I will make it available via my ResearchGate profile. Let's jump into R. As soon as your data is ready and you have opened RStudio, you are ready to load your data into the software. For that purpose, you could follow basically two different menu options. On the right-hand side here, you can see the option Import Dataset, and you can see you could import dataset from Excel or even from SPSS. You will find the same menu if you just have this basic menu here on top by clicking on File, Import Dataset. Let's open our Excel example data. If you click on Import Dataset from Excel, a new menu box opens up. And here you can simply browse for the file that you have just created or that you have downloaded and saved on your computer. I have the file here in the folder Import Data, and it's just a simple Excel file that we have just seen. It is called Averaged. Averaged because it averages the numbers for the different countries for the period 2010 to 2017. As soon as you have opened the file, you can see that R is demonstrating the look of the dataset or presents a view. You can see that it's recognizing that country is a string variable, and the other are double numeric variables that can be used in any kind of analysis. You can also see that R is also offering an option to identify missing values or no answer. And in our case, it was just left blank, and it's left blank here too, meaning that it identifies that we have a missing value here. So this looks fine, and we can import the dataset. You click on Import, and then you should see in this view on top of R your data file with the different numbers that were likewise presented in your Excel. That's it. Now you have everything you need to start the analysis. As with all other videos, please just get in touch if you're facing any kind of problems that you feel are unsolvable.